Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make potatoes O'Brien. Cue the music. Alright, well, thanks for stopping by. If this is your first time joining us today, please do me a favor, go down, hit that little subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make potatoes O'Brien or O'Brien potatoes. So let's head in to our prep area down here and see what our ingredients are for this dish. We're going to start out with 2 large russet potatoes, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 red peppers, 2 orange peppers, and I may note these are sweet peppers, 1 onion, and you see peeking over that onion in the photo there is 1 little clove of garlic, and then we're going to use salt and pepper to season this all up and make it taste good. And we see over there on the stove we're going to be using our little frying pan that we always seem to use in these videos. So without further ado, let's start doing our prep. Alright, we've got our prep station ready to go here, have our ingredients right here. I got the bowl ready for the ingredients after they've been prepped. So let's start with our potatoes, and we are basically going to slice these lengthwise and then make them into a fine dice. Not a fine dice, but a medium dice. Alright, potatoes are done. We're going to start on our peppers. Same thing, medium dice. You want them about the same size as the potatoes, so everything looks uniform. We'll just go ahead and finish these up and put them in our bowl right here, along with our onion when we get to that. Alright, got our peppers. Now onto the onion. Same thing. We're just going to do a medium dice on this as well. So everything's uniform. And then we have our garlic that we're going to do last. I'm just going to kind of mince this up, rough cut, because it's going to blend right in with all the peppers and onions. But the smaller it is, the more flavor that will go throughout the dish. So we got that. Alright, we've got our onions, our pepper, and our garlic right there. And we've got our potatoes diced, ready to go. Let's head over to our frying pan with our other ingredients and start cooking. Alright, we have got our prep done. They're ready to go in our mise en place, our oil, our butter, salt and pepper. We've got our pan and our utensil. We are ready to cook this dish, so let's get started as I zoom in on our pan. Alright, we're going to go start out with a medium to medium high heat. We're going to put our olive oil in there and the butter. We're just going to let that start melting. And then once you get the butter starts melting and you get that oil and butter all over the pan and the heat level in there moderated, go ahead and throw your potatoes in. Then I'm going to go ahead and cover them up for about 10 minutes, but I'm going to occasionally stir them up, and we'll transition through that into the next shot with them being cooked and showing a little bit of color. Alright, it has been around 10 minutes. You can see a little color starting to develop on the potatoes. The aroma coming off of these smells just like French fries, which of course it should, because we are actually frying potatoes, shallow frying potatoes in oil. So basically the same principle as deep frying a potato. You're making a French fry. Now I'm going to add our colorful onion and pepper mix with the garlic. I'm going to stir that all in there and let this go about 10 minutes as well, covered. I will be stirring it occasionally. Just remember the cooking times will vary depending on the size of the cuts that you make with your product. The smaller the dice, the quicker the cooking time. The larger the dice, of course, will be a longer cooking time, and that goes for both the peppers and the potatoes. But that's why you want to make sure everything is uniform when you cook it. The reason I put the peppers in second is because I want the potatoes to get a head start on them. So when you're done with the next second 10 minutes, everything will be just cooked perfectly together and the flavors will blend as well. So we're gonna let this go. I will be stirring it, but when we come back, we should be ready to serve. All right, I'm midway through here with about 5 minutes into it. I just been checking, make sure the colors aren't getting any dullness to them. So I'm gonna add our salt and pepper right now, just to bring out some more of the flavor. Stir this up. Color on the potatoes is really nice. All right, go about 5 more minutes and we should be done. All right, take the lid off. Yeah, that looks really nice. Smells fantastic. I'm just gonna check our potato. They are done. Flavorful. A little more salt, a little more pepper. These are ready to serve. So of course, if this is your first time watching, what we're gonna do now is we are gonna take these, we're gonna plate these up, take some really awesome photos of it for social media, and then we're gonna put those pictures into the timeline of this video with some really groovy music for you to enjoy, and then we're gonna taste it. So enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. Try these potatoes out. We all know what an egg tastes like, but these potatoes are very, very nice. Hopefully that focuses. The potatoes, onions, peppers, garlic, a little salt and pepper on there, cooked in oil and butter. Oh. Perfect flavor combination with the onions and potatoes and salt in there. It's such a great combination. Get a little egg in there just for the heck of it. Very, very good. Potatoes O'Brien potatoes, however you want to say it. Perfect to make, takes about 20 minutes. 10 for the potatoes, 10 for the pepper mix in there. Complete time is 20 minutes. Goes great with breakfast. You can even use them as dinner side dish if you want. Take care of yourselves. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like this video, leave a comment below, and then share this video with everybody that you know. Thanks a lot. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.